Tasha?
Yeah.
Come here, girl. What one? Me say you cuss the stepmother and you cuss the maid. What really you want? I lie. This is fine. Lie them again fine. Don't like it. Read the school.
Hey. You see me and cuss somebody? I like she a tell. She don't like me. So they say she let him come out her house. She don't tell her that. You never tell him that.
But we have to bring up next up.
But she never tell her that.
Listen now. Stop bringing up head like a fried chicken, man. What can I ring you in neck? When you're a child, you talk like a child. Yes.
Now ring up your head like a fried chicken.
Like a chicken neck.
Wow. Ready?
Well, yeah, ring up your neck like a chicken with actual attitude.
But she not tell
That
her that.
normal, man.
You see what I say? You see it for yourself. You see what I say to you? Know you see it for you. Yourself. Nobody not have to tell you nothing again. I'm glad you see it for yourself. See who you bring for hurt if you can't disrespect people. Shameless pick me like you.
So you not say nothing for me disrespect you?
Good. I'm not argue with you from the other side.
Cali car.
Ready? Go back side, sir. Ready, okay.
So you not say nothing for me disrespect you?
Me and you on the side, so I'm not going to argue with you. Me not argue with you. You know, child.
Yeah, come on.
Yo, yeah, what? Stop me talk to you now. I'm going to make you know what say now. Yeah, what? Turn up me talk to you. You know what's going on tonight?
Filmmaker coming through. So, if anyone has anything to hide, please do so now.
As a come, you know, say you're informer, you know.
What?
Everything I put on camera.
Okay. You have something to hide?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big clip.
What? Where just a while ago?
You go and play a song in that video.
I'm gonna take a message. Although I'm not think that talk is nice still. Why?
Yeah, you can give me a massage.
My son. Go to so. Yeah, go to so. I don't realize that she does that try a while ago, guys, when she's like, can't give me a massage. Oh, sorry. Come out of the shop.
Come again.
So, realize here, you can't be yourself. Go to the girlfriend and make her see the mother.
What the camera
Come
people.
on this side.
You don't ever stop film, my youth? Wow, as you know, wake up something to start film?
Sometimes.
Sure. Candy gun around this, huh? Turn up your eyes so I'll give you some more light. Fun sound. Sabron always their own editing station. And I have Miss Cross right so. And then I have people I met she a mess around here when she said that. Probably because she don't want to record.
I can't tell lie. When I miss me, I miss road. I told me at that.
Okay.
I just told you know what people like here, so it's not
Big up yourself. Big up. Throw one thumbs up. Tell them to like, share and subscribe.
big up yourself.
Big up you too. Me cannot manage. Cross. That is the only way you know how to express yourself? Huh? That's the only way you know how to express yourself, miss? Hi. I come in peace.
Take the camera.
Almost look on the ear, people. Look at the hair. Why is your hair like that?
Oh, me and your friend. I say it's terrible what they are. Can man come in my party and they know that me I only joke right in there. Who you do that? Eh? How would your family no can no man come here? Yeah. Sorry about that. Not stuff.
Who has seen her now? She? You see the she now.
I'm making a film here, buddy.
I'm filming myself too.
Why don't look good in the camera?
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not filming myself so often. You have to film the people that may look good. Like, see even there. And yourself, yeah, so. You're very beautiful. So pretty.
Stop telling you now, film not. Come and see, come.
Someone show it. Someone show it. Brown man, big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
You don't know.
Ackeen parents.
Yes, ma'am. I know my name, I don't know your name. 1 million name you give me so far. What name?
My name is Eileen Megan O'Connor.
Okay, Eileen. Watch him with him bowl of soup too.
The barrel now it up.
We're not proud of. But it's a bro. Nobody could see what You guys have a question?
Sure, can ask me anything. Careful now, my general. Come on, you nervous?
I'm going to play one game. The game name When we say you ask a question.
Me ask a question.
Yeah, virgin.
Yeah.
I don't want to play a game and say I turn out. Come here, Alton. Or come here, brown man, play a game with her now. What you tell him? How the game go?
When I say you ask a question.
Are you a virgin?
Half a virgin.
Nope.
Tell me here.
No, I'm not going. What's the point of the ag game?
Wi-Fi.
Well, the point of the game is one person play I say
Pause this then.
When we say and you ask me a question and I answer, you can't say and anybody else can ask you a question. Anybody at all.
When I get it still, but. What is your name?
You want a girlfriend?
No.
You have a girlfriend?
No.
Why you can't have a girlfriend?
This.
What?
This.
What?
That's why I'm gonna have one girlfriend.
Well, because you think you can have a girlfriend?
Alright, I think the audience will understand, but.
Or because the cat listen make you can have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Or that they can go for this to get cat part.
I think a chicken. Yeah, but that's the reason. Small, very small.
That is no reason.
Come, next question.
You have to please.
Yes.
Why is that so?
I don't know, I'm a perfectionist. I feel like later. Wait, I don't know your stuff. Little more. I know too much about me, I don't know nothing about it. Later. Tata. Bye.
Yeah, tell me later you're not going.
You know, see, I'm my favorite person. Did you know that? So, I'm going to look for, I'm going to see you when again.
You can see me.
I'm going to see you when again.
Yeah, I have about 20,000 videos of me.
I still going to need more. And stop do that. You need to express yourself better. Alton Garden. Where are you going with?
No.
I understand how the money are going like say Malice me and me. No, I'm not have it. I see it. I'm not have it. I need to walk out there again. Look over which part I did sit down. But the window then the wind up, sir, right?
Yeah, but if they wind up over so one down.
One.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing no fans now. I'm looking at cars if you look in there.
Check me.
I really fall out of the door, dog. You leave an umbrella. No, the camera bag didn't come out. No, in the same one.
Oh, switch your key.
Oh.
Umbrella there.
Nope. Hold on the people. As me that said, I don't know if Malice, the brother in here with me. Alton Garden. Malice and Malice, my dog.
I don't really like the camera at all.
I say if I'm Malice, I'm Malice, man.
No, man, I'm friend, brother.
So me I hear you, I'm not hear you answer my youth.
No, camera, brother.
Mom, my friend, listen, now we are talking something important.
Okay, alright. My gun. Look like nothing I show to the people. Oh.
So I have to go up on that evening and run about 10 times so not.
Oh, we did the one funeral earlier. I was sorry on the one funeral earlier, so I said them do that shoot earlier. I said them on here. I don't know how my favorite dance on enough. Watch him. You see, if you don't learn no other way to express yourself, you're going to have one hard time in your life to get my boyfriend. Among other things, socializing, which is going to be needed throughout life. Definitely, because you have to talk to people. So, this can work for good morning, and this can work for how do I do this, or this can work to help me figure out whatever. Yeah, if you open up that's something that you have in front. You see it? See? And it look nice when you look happy, you know. Set the seating shape thing there again.
You're not done. You're not seen to finish. I know I'm just me alone in the half of that today. Come on.
Alright, we're getting better. You get better at expressing yourself. That's nice. You spoke a whole lot just now. Anything else you want to say, Miss Cross? Yeah, I got miss when I got, no, Joe? But I said something a while ago, but I just remember I said this a roll. It's a roll. You are so lucky. Yo, you know, it's a slam dunk that? Oh God, it's a slam dunk that. Okay. Alright people, so I finish film now.
Come here.
I'm sorry to turn off the camera.
Come and see your face tonight.
It alright. I will see your face more.
Yes, I can't take a style. I can't take a style. I'm going to punch with
First thing, it's on autofocus. You know, I get me in focus with my hand here.
Me just put my face in a hit so. Yeah,
Come here. Come here. Right, also. Smile for me.
But every time I see you, I just something I'm at there, look at my side.
Anyways, as me I said, little more. I'll show thing now go on. The place not exciting right now, so little more. Oh, subscribe. So people, I'm tired for ask the questions. Another one also. I give task to Mr. Alton Garden. So let her rip.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ackeen's video channel, right?
I like that.
And I'm here with this fine young lady. She's from Kingston. Introduce yourself. What's her name? Because I don't really get her name. My name is Alton, by the way. Nah, I'm out.
Alright. My name is Sai. Sai Records. You get me? I also
Sai?
Yeah.
Or Sky? Sai?
Sai.
Sai.
S-Y.
Oh, S-Y, Sai.
Yeah. I also go by Alanis OG. That's my artist name. I do music and stuff, trap music.
Oh, she's you do music?
Yes. My friends call me OG though.
OG.
So that's how we be kicking it.
Because I always be OG and pushing.
Yeah,
Alright, so good vibes. So good vibes.
True.
Good vibes, yeah. Good energy. Good vibes. So, welcome to JammiWood City. We know we're there. We know what we're there. What we do here?
we turn real life into movies. Yeah.
We shoot movies here,
Make it
people.
happen.
So, yeah, we're there in JammiWood City and we are going normal. And I'm here with Sai. She's an artist. And she wants to do movies too. So, you'll see her now on movies.
Yeah.
And a new movie then.
New
So,
beginning actress.
so welcome to JammiWood. Welcome to Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation Entertainment, Ackeen's video. I say your name, I know my boss.
I want to say always name.
Ackeen video.
Yeah, bike nice as the usual. So one question for Miss Sai.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit more about who you are.
Alright, I'm 21 years old. I was born in Kingston. I'm mixed. I got a little bit of German in me, so yeah. So I look like this. I don't know. People tell me I look Jamaican. I don't know how Jamaica looks, but we out here. You know?
Oh, you don't really know Jamaica yet? Really?
Yeah, I live out here. I grew up out here.
Yeah, but you don't really go places. First
okay,
time out of
well,
Kingston?
no,
Or you
I've been
normally
to-
go Portland, Ochi?
Well, I've been to Portland. My grandma grew up out there. I went to St. D. That's about it though. I think so. Oh, Ochi. Ochi, yeah. I touched a girl one time, but I was too young to really remember why pre.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, long
I passed
time.
school runnings and I remember that. I was like, oh shit, that was out here. Yeah.
True. But you know, we are going normal ideas too. I'm about to take a call. Thank you for coming. And
Thank you.
it's a pleasure when I start work today. So when we start work, then
See what's up.
we're family here. So make yourself at home.
So I really run here already, my youth?
Yes, I have a
Oh,
call.
gosh.
I'm a business person. So we still go normal, yes?
Zano
Take
star.
care of yourself.
You
Ackeen, me take care of you.
Funny. So definitely have more questions. Definitely have more questions for her. So tell about some of the things you do for fun.
I draw, I write music, I go out with my friends, I smoke. Major pothead over here. Yeah, let's get it. Ganja to the world. You dig? Out here changing lives.
Big up yourself. So you know, they have the question in my head, but slip me. You distract me a while ago, but I forgive that. So, how you come across this? What got you interested in doing movies?
What got me interested is actually JammiWood. You get me? And it came to himself. You get me? I was scrolling through on YouTube, my recommended, and after I seen the first JammiWood movie, I can't remember the name, terrible with names, you get me? But I've watched all of them. This is no lie. So, I don't know. I just was lying down in my room one day over lockdown, and I was like, yo, Jano, like, you could take up one new project. Like, let's reach out and see if they accepted any new cast members. And so said, so done. I'm out here. They were. So you can shout out, you know?
Alright, cool. I think we get enough. You have nothing where... Tell us something about you that most people wouldn't know. Or even persons close to you probably wouldn't know.
I'm actually really camera shy, but the secret to that is work with that nervous energy and turn it into something positive. Just believe in yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Break a leg.
So this whole time you're nervous?
I swear to God, I'm shaking like a leaf.
Oh my God. Don't be nervous. Don't think of it as a camera. It's another person over there. And a whole heap of personalities over there. So just try your best not to cross anyone. So bye-bye time. Come more. Bye-bye time, people. Let me see what you have in your hand.
I don't like camera.
Let me see what you have in your hand. Bye people. Subscribe. And like the video. If you make it this far, like the video. Later.